Welcome to Digital Channel. So today I discuss about that any particular website, how we can generating leads, how to generating leads. In this purpose, we have selecting for Google AdWords option. What is the major options are mainly focus campaign? What are the options are there? In the campaign mainly, the particular one goal is there. There is a campaign option. There is a campaign option. So that campaign, how it is work out, there will be. So it's campaign structure. Okay. These are the particular campaigns. Keyword selection, impression, clicks, daily validation, destination URL, where people will be reach your business, landing page and bidding. So I'm selecting this my website. I'm into customer services, training, anything we can promote. Any campaign will be creating two things are important. These are the goals. Goals nothing but sales, lead generation, website traffic, brand consideration, and awareness, app promotion, local store visit. Is a newly added by local store visit. Nothing but Google Maps promotion. In this one more is option is there smart campaign. These are the main campaign. Search, display, shopping, video, app promotion, smart, local, discover. Discover totally dependent by your website traffic. Is it clear? When you're selecting sale, the supporting search, display, shopping, video, smart campaign, discovery. Lead generation, search, display, shopping, video, smart, discovery. But website traffic, search, display, shopping, video, and discovery. App not include anyone. But these two will be dependent by the option. Is a video option, this will be display and a video option. This will be complete for app promotion, Android application and iOS application. This will be drive your local shops, including restaurant and dealership business. So anyone local audience you have to target is a campaign. So any particular campaign, two options are there: with the goal, without goals. With the goal, nothing but I have to not any looking for any goals. I have to looking for my traffic. If particular go with the lead option, here will be select lead. When selecting lead, see this one. Before lead selection, the options are 8 totally. After selecting lead, the total of how many? 6. Which one? Search, display, shopping, video, smart campaign, discovery. When you come into the search network, this is completely dependent by the matches. And your bidding also will be cost per click charges, cost per mile. 1,000 people watch or view, it will be charged. CPA, cost per action. CPV, cost per view, how much charge? CPA, cost per install. CPD, cost per day budget. Today, minimum Google AdWords starting budget will be 500, but nowadays, account adding amount will be minimum 1,500 compulsory important. If you're adding 500, maybe they can't run ad. They're nothing but adding more amount, your running will be start with the ad campaign. Because daily budget is fixed by 500, it's not a big task. But the minimum budget, you can add the account 1,500 minimum required. Next, quality score is common option. Keyword will be complete 4 matches: broad, face, exact, and native match. When coming to the search network, they're promoting website visit, phone call, shop visit, app download, and lead form submission. They're providing one form application. The form will fill up the customers and they will send to your particular which mail you give AdWords. They receive the form itself. If you come into discovery, same website visit, every option. Display only smart campaign, standard campaign. In this, we have Gmail ads also will be there. Gmail ad will be created. Only option is the display ad. Suppose leave the leads, select it, display. See this smart display. Improve your performance, simplify target the here. Standard campaign. Here will be which one? The selecting website. Here is the website. Standard. What is that? Campaign name. Display one. So with the goal, display. Same options are there. This will be give the conversion tracking. How much conversion will be done? They can tracking the conversion option. Here, selecting discovery, I'm selecting for lead generation, discovery, see this. Only website link will be available. Which one? Lead generation. Search. Your website link is available. Lead option. Is it clear? Lead is not there. Select it. Search. Website visit, phone call, app download. Lead. Search. Website visit, phone call, shop visit, app download, lead form submission. Which is you can select, the selecting will be two options. Phone number adding, website URL adding. Two options are mandatory. If coming to the discovery, same. Remove it, add it, discovery. Only website link will be added. So same will be continued that we have to change it. Discovery will be most of the lead will generating from through website. They're not accepting for phone call. When you are accepting phone call, you can go to down, lead generation, search. Here lead generation accepted and you will accepting for website visit, phone call, shop visit here. Any people will be searching. I'll searching for US customer services in USA. Look here, these are all options. Some people adding with your phone number also. The phone number nothing but here. Which one? Phone call. So I'm selecting will be two options. Add my website URL. Here add in my selecting India. Click for continue. So what I'm adding? Only with the website number and phone number adding. Next, what is that? Budget. What the budget will be? 500. So budget is 500. But my total will be adding the budget will be more than 500 we can add. Where you can add the budget? We can go to tools option. Will be billing summary is there. The billing summary adding for more than 500. Minimum starting with the 1500 budget. But campaign will be starting with the 500 rupees. What is the purpose of? Clicks, conversion are there and impression share. Nothing but CPM. When it's called CPM, nothing but cost per mile. Cost per 1000 impression, it will be charged. So which is we can go for? I can go for clicks. Why? I'm looking for leads. I'm looking for leads. Conversion. Conversion nothing but that clicks will be converting compulsory important. Conversion value is different. I'll go with the conversion. Clicks are impression share. I'm looking which one? Conversion. Set the cost per action. Each action, how much budget you are fixed. When I click here, I'll give for 100 rupees. Each action, I'll spending budget will be 100 rupees. I'm not interested. Leave it. Budget adding is not a mandatory field. Which one? Target CPA. Cost per action. Each action, how much budget is adding? That is your option. But recommend option will be conversion. I'm looking for leads with the converted traffic. More setting, add rotation and conversion. If it's required, add the rotation option. Next, here. Next. Any search network, we have two options. Search with the display. Search with the display nothing but any AdSense approval website. Any AdSense approval website. These are the search with the display network. Which one? Text also will be worked out. So I'm not looking for display. I'm looking which one? Search network. Which location you're targeting? My most target will be only local audience. When adding local audience, Hyderabad, Telangana, Pakistan also there, it's selecting Telangana. The total audience will be 3 crores 23 lakhs. Is a targeting audience. Click for target. 3 crores 23 lakhs. After the language your option. All language will be suitable. One language also will be suitable. So I'm selecting only for English. More setting. Here, what is the your start date, end date? Add schedules. Add schedule nothing but what time you're running at, specific time zone. My ad will only running for 9 to 9, 10 to 10. You can specify the time also. Particular all days have particular dates. Okay. Next one. Here. Audience segmentation. What are the audience you will be most of the people searching here? You can search from some. I can target any audience. Why? Because who can search my content? I don't have. Any business people searching for customer services. So depending, I can contact from every customer. Next, more option. All this campaign is a dynamic search for the ad will be setting. Click for next. Which is important, you can utilize that option. Remaining one, leave it. After this one, here, what are the website keywords are you can add here? This is nothing but ad group list of keyword. Where you can I'm showing will be first option. This one. Add group list of the keyword. Each ad group you can add the number of list of keyword. In a Google AdWords, what is the ad group purpose? List of keyword, list of video ads, list of display ad will be show to the customer purpose. Then ad will be show to customer will be like this. So what we can final URL headline will be 2 out of 15 and description will be writing for here. So headline will be how much headline will be in this. So what you writing for? Each headline will be 30 characters. Remember, each headline will be how many characters? Associated to best price. SMO services at best price. Is it clear? And description. So headlines, how many you can write? There is no limit from headlines. You can write how many you want. You can add the headlines. Is it clear? Previous 5 headlines are required. 5 description will be. But now we'll be adding the description part. Is it clear? So description will be only 3 by 4. And title will be here. How many headlines you can write? Up to 15. Previous how many? 5. Now will be 15 option. Is it clear? After this one, click for done. Is anything missing here? Now you can see the ad where desktop and mobile is a preview for a particular ads. Depend on the text, ad will be changed. Discount services, SMO service at best price, SO service at best price. These are the multiple keywords. Each character, how many we can write? Up to 30 characters you can write. How many headlines you can write? Up to 15. Previous 5, now will be 15. Description, each one 90 characters, how many you can write? Up to 4. 490, you can calculate by the option. After click for done. So here, ad was created. Now what we can go for? Click for next option. Next option in a site link extensions. Nothing but if you want to exchange any links like this, nothing but contact us from or other pages you have to display. Add by the particular also will be here. Site links text, description 1, description 2, and final URL. After click done, save it. So compulsory, should you get the 2 more clicks, same budget created by the site link extension. What we can get for training. Sorry, services. No? So exceed is the more. So that is called each edge. How many links will be there? Okay. What is it? We can writing for final URL. Then what is called site link extension? What is the extension will be? Digital marketing services. All our call extensions done. If any extension will be more, app extension, structured data, lead from, price also visible to customer, and promotion extension. These are the particular options are there, which is you can go for add the option. Lead from nothing but they can create on form which are looking services. Already I can convert into traffic into my website. No need to adding for lead form generation. Suppose I don't have a particular website to redirect. Go to option is called lead generation form. The form will be simple. This is the price one. I don't any specify the price will be added. Lead form will be added by the see this lead form extension, headline, business name, description. What are the services? Name. Here is the options. They can add your particular features. What is called after submission? Thank you for contact us. Thank you for getting this us. As soon as possible can reach for you. These all message will give the reply message also. So I don't focus by the lead. Now click for next. How many clicks? The budget will be given 500. Only 12 clicks. How much CPC cost? 40 rupees. When I give the budget is the 500 rupees per day. How much amount will be deducted by the customers from account? They give only for 12 clicks to the customers. How many clicks? 12 clicks to the particular customers. Is only for particular Hyderabad. Next. Final. The call option will be here. The campaign does not have a conversion tracking setup. Tracking will be fix it. It's a complete for conversion tracking purpose. Here, what is my ad will be search purpose of lead generation. What is my daily budget? 500. What is the purpose of maximize conversions? Network, Google Search Network, search partner like Google Search and Google related partners. Location, all countries and particular language, English, audience, no segment. I'm not focusing any particular audience. I can target by each and every audience who are looking for digital marketing services. How many keywords we add? 25 keywords. Here one question is there. So after adding 25 keywords, can I edit on the particular keywords? You always edit the keywords also. No need to worry. Ads. And nothing but your ad group. So each ad campaign, how many ad group you can create? N number of ad groups we can create each and every ad campaign. Site link extension and call extension. What is the first one? Publish campaign. Before that, you can fix this one. Create a conversion tracking. What is our conversion? How much leads will we convert? These all we can give by the conversion tracking option. Conversion tracking option. Most of the options, people not looking for conversion tracking option. If you have, you can add the conversion tracking option. After what we can clicking for, publish the your campaign option. It will take time to the particular conversion tracking. So, what are the campaigns are there? Search, display, video, app promotion, and shopping network, local search, smart campaign, and these are the particular things. Next one, what are the goals? Sales, lead generation, website traffic, brand consideration, and brand awareness, local search, and app promotion. These are the particular goals. App promotion, app remarketing, app installs. These are the multiple options are there. Is it clear? So this is the particular option will given where into the Google AdWords ads creation time. Is it clear? This you finally fix it and you start the campaign. Some people asking question. So conversion tracking important for our business. If you want convert the tracking, how much people will be convert my website. If you want give the particular data, that is you can adding for this option. I'm not looking, I'm looking for only lead generation. You can go to that option will be exactly conversion will be lead generate. Is it clear? These are the options we get from where? In the Google AdWords, the campaign name is called lead generation goal. That is a discovery ad. Which one? Discovery ad and a search network ad. But search network is completely dependent by which one? Broad match, phase match, and exact match. Just 1 second. I'll fix it. Okay, done. Click for publish campaign. After publishing campaign, major one is called here. Two things are very important. Once campaign was created, ad group. Here number of keywords are there. Where you can add the matches. When click for keyword here, what is showing for broad match here. You can which match you require. What is exact match? When people searching exactly SEO website design, when people searching with the same keyword, it will show your ad. Keyword is guru from the Google AdWords. The matches, broad match is very expensive, but because it's called, if you relevant also will show to the customers. But I have to show for relevant keyword to the getting my business. Customer training is the my exact match. When people are searching as is, they show my ad. Advanced customer training is my keyword. Customer training is the phase match. It will show my ad. Why? Because phrase is matching before adding for advanced. So these are the options will be given by the particular option. So each match we can give by which match you're looking for, add the matches. But don't adding broad match. If you're looking for only traffic, not for other, go for broad match. We don't lose any amount, but we only target by the audience to create the leads to my particular business. So this is a campaign structure will be create here. After campaign will be done, the matches will be changing for your particular keywords. How we can open the campaign? First, campaign start. Next, your particular ad group. Next, your particular keywords. Particular keywords. This is your particular option. Is it clear? Now, add. All campaigns. These are your particular option. Search campaign, local search, lead, enable. This option will be worked out here. Go to the keywords. My keywords are there. Which is a matching is important. Change match. One more thing is called when you're adding runtime, can add the keyword. Yes, you can add the keyword also. How many keywords you want? Add the number of keywords. Here are the keywords. After review is done, the ad will be displayed by the in a Google search results. Search network only visible by where? In the search result, when people will search your particular keyword. What are the matches? Broad, exact, and phrase match option. If any further query, you can contact my channel. Is here. You ask any questions here. Is it clear? So this is what we can create. How to create the Google AdWords search network. And one more question here. So I'm running the campaign. How to stop? Basically, one question is there. That is called any campaign you're creating time. We can total campaign will be pause and remove also there. When selecting this complete one, it is that enable, pause, remove, copy, every option is there. So any campaign will be pause. Click for pause. Only campaign, total campaign is a pause, but ad group will be not pause. So campaign totally stopped, but ad group will be not stopped. What we can do is pause. You can individual keyword also. So one keyword is not workable. Select it. Click for pause or remove. Individual keyword also we can pass, or we can continue run, or we can remove also. Suppose 10 keywords are there. One keyword not generating singly, but they detect the so many amount. What we can do this? Pause the keyword or remove the keyword, running the remaining ads. And one more thing, guys. If any ad will be not showing for not eligible nothing, but is a low search volume keyword. If it's a match will be there, they will show the match. If it's not eligible, then nothing but this will be enough impression clicks on the particular wise. The search wise very less. So they can't show the this is not eligible for the keyword. Which is eligible, you can add the keyword option. Is it clear? So this is ad you can creating on the Google search network by using lead generation target. What is my final lead to the amount of 500 daily? Your generating lead will be 12 leads. So if you have any question, ask me to my channel. Is it clear?